Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here at the Atlantic City Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Got 2 complimentary tickets to a show called Dance to the Music. So we're going to check that out, and before I do that I'm going to get a cocktail at the bar because I'm a little bit early. Then we'll head inside and see what this show is all about. Come on with me. Ringo's coming to the Hard Rock, an actual real live Beatle. I wish I could go. I'll see what I can do. So from what I understand, this show I'm about to see is all about the music of the 60s and the dancing of the 60s. Sounds exciting. I love the 60s, I love the 70s, I love that kind of nostalgia stuff, so it should be a good show. Kind of a coincidence today, I've got Beatle suits behind me, the real deal. Actually, that's Ringo Starr's Beatle suit right behind me. And on top of that, he's going to be here in a short while at the Hard Rock. So, and on top of that, I'm going to a show that features 60s music, including the Beatles. It's my lucky day. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Shantit Sima, who found Clarice in my last Atlantic City video at the Borgata, Noodles of the World, and the Slot Pole. Congratulations, Shantit.
How we doing out there?
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Take another little piece of my heart, why don't you?
don't know about you guys, but I knew every single song they sung here tonight and danced to. And if you had a favorite, leave a comment below. It's not a Broadway show or an A-lister arena show or anything like that. It's a musical review. Everyone had a great time. It was like a sing-along, and people were on their feet, and I had a great time as well. So I thought it was a pretty good show. I enjoyed myself. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have yet to subscribe to the New York channel, please do. It really does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. I'm heading over to Resorts now. It's kind of late. It's about 5:30, and I've got to check in. I haven't checked in yet, so that's another video to come here on the New York channel. Thanks again, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.